Alright, I just want to show you how you can do these type of questions in a calculator, right? Bear in mind that it says evaluate. Evaluate means that the question wants the answer, not just in expanded form anymore. The question wants the answer. So that's where this comes in handy. So I've got a Casio scientific calculator over here, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn the calculator on. So my calculator is already on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to type the first question here. I've got my first question as 2 cubed, or 2 to the power of 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in number 2. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, click on this button X and the little square as a power. I'm going to type that in. That will allow me to type in any of the power that I would like. Then my question said 2 cubes, so I'm going to type in my little 3. I'm going to double check my question is exactly the same as the question I've got in my book. Then I'm going to go ahead and press the equal sign, and that should give me the answer for the question, which is 8. Right? And then for the next question, I'm going to do the same. 5, I'm going to press 5, and then I'm going to press on the X and the little box. Then I've got 5 squared as my question, so I'm going to put 2 as my power. Then I'm going to press enter or equal sign. That would give me 25 as my answer. Then, right, it's the same thing you're repeating. I'm going to ask you to complete those questions by yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do a few trickier questions over here. Right, so I've got 2 to the power of -3 now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press number 2 over here. Then I'm going to press the same thing, X and little box. Then all I have to do is press the negative sign over here, right at the bottom here. Then I'm going to type in 3 because it is 2 to the power of -3. Then I'm going to press enter. So it should look like this. Then I'm going to press enter, and my answer is 1/8. Alright, and then I'm going to move on to the next question, which is I'm going to do something a little bit different over here. 3 to the power of 0, you can do exactly the same, right? So I'm going to type in 3. Then I'm going to press this button again. Then I'm going to type in my number 0, right? Then hit enter. Then I should have the answer, which is number 1. So I'm going to write my answer as that. Alright, go ahead and try the rest of the questions, right? So that you can pause the screen now and go ahead and try those questions for me.